Hi, I'm Mark Bloom, CEO and co-founder of Cognian Technologies, and I'm here with Rafal Fiorini, the principal of digital twins at Telstra, and we're going to talk a little bit about digital twins and their applicability for smart building infrastructure. So, Rafal, great to have you here, and can you tell me a little bit about digital twins, their applicability, and what they mean for smart buildings?
Thanks, Mark, and thank you for talking about something, a very passionate topic of mine.
Likewise.
Digital twins, I think, is a bit of a hype word at the moment, but amongst that hype there is some pragmatic realities about how twins, I believe, will change how businesses will function in the not too distant future. I think the efficiencies that twins will offer organisations will be insurmountable in a couple of years' time, but there are hurdles. And the hurdles are because of the complexity and the different technologies that are used to actually build a twin. And one of those main problems is data.
Right.
Because without data, a twin just doesn't work.
Yeah, well, after all, it is all about the data, whether it's a digital twin or AI, you need to get the data. And I guess you need to get that in a automated way. You don't want it with manual intervention. So what are some of, because you mentioned there's a bit of hype. I agree with you that there's tremendous potential with digital twins. What's holding us back?
I think one of the adages about what a digital twin is its requirement to actually virtually represent the physical side. Mm-hmm. Now, the physical side by definition changes over time.
Yes.
So you don't have static data, not as just the data itself, but the sensors move, a building fit out will change. That requires a capability of keeping up with that. Right now, that's a very manual process.
Right.
Secondly, the data that once you get the data, it has to be structured.
Yes.
Unstructured data is a problem. You can't do anything with it. So getting that first bit automated from a provisioning sense to getting the data in the right format and then getting it into a graph database for a twin, if you can solve that problem like Cognian has done, I think it's a great amount of actually work that's taken out of actually keeping twins working.
Right, yes, because what we have seen is that unless you focus right at the beginning on the provisioning side, being able to support lots of different sensor types now and in the future, because who knows how it's going to change. You want to have an open platform that you can put that. And then you mentioned the structured data, because that, I believe, is a very key part of the digital twin, so that you don't have to have that manual intervention that you spoke about before.
I agree, and I think the ontologies around the data are very critical to getting a twin to work.
All right, okay. Well, thank you, Rafal. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about what we are doing at Cognian Technologies with Synchromesh, digital twins, and our work with Telstra, please visit us on cognian.com.